How to fix Snapchat camera and microphone error. Snapchat may show error like these due to permissions or app glitches. Go to your app info. Inside app info, select permissions, and inside permissions, make sure that camera, microphone, and photos and videos are in the allowed section. You can click on them and select the option Allow. Go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. Restarting clears temporary glitches causing camera and mic errors. Also, check for any updates that may be available for Snapchat. Open App Store or Play Store and look for the app. If you see the update option, click on it to update the app. Once you have done this, go back to your app info. Inside app info, scroll down and click on Storage. In Storage, click on Clear Cache at the bottom. Also, make sure to check for any software updates that may be available for your device. Open Settings and scroll down to the bottom and select Software Update. If you see any new updates, then update it. That's all for today. Thank you.